Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever wanted to sit down while you're golfing? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Okay guys, so for this part, you're gonna need a chair, a golf club, and a golf ball. First we're gonna sit down. Sitting down's not hard. You stand up and then you sit down, okay? And then you're gonna get your golf club and then you're gonna put it in your hands. And then here, I'll teach you how to hold the golf club. So you go like this, and then you just hold it, okay? So then we're gonna sit down, and then you're gonna spread your legs, and then you're gonna come and just line it up, and then bring it back, and then swing through. So that was the first try. Okay guys, so this is our second time. Why I really like this technique is it allows you to rest your feet and you can fluidly move your body throughout the whole motion, okay? It's also really good because it doesn't put pressure on your knees. That's really good for your joints. So let's do this one more time, okay? So you're gonna line it up and then you're just gonna go back. Make sure to spread your legs. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay guys, this is our third attempt. I really like how this has been going. Our shots have been pretty spot on. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time. Spread your legs, make sure your legs are spread. Make sure your club is lined up. And then you're just gonna bring it back. And then, that was just a practice swing, okay? So, you're gonna bring it back and just slam it, okay? Now let's go one more time. Okay guys, so for our last attempt, I really like this technique because it's very versatile. You can switch up how you sit down, okay? So for this last one, we're gonna sit down on the ground without a chair, okay? And we're just gonna take one practice swing, so just practice swing through, and then you're just gonna line up the club, and then bring it back, and just one more practice swing, and then basically line up the club, and then bring it back, and then strike it. Okay, so now we're gonna head over to the putting range for 2 more shots. Okay, so we couldn't make it into the putting green because it's very dangerous in there. Apparently there's sharks and rattlesnakes in there. I don't know how that's possible, but it's the case. But we're gonna make our own putting green for 1 shot right here, okay? So I'm gonna try to hit the tree, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, it was close. I like that shot a lot because it really shows how this technique can enhance your accuracy and can allow you to play with more than just a putter. For instance, I just used a driver. It was really good at balancing the power and accuracy of the shot.